this is Harry J from Ask Communication. I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Telegram Messenger to your iPhone 13, 13 Pro, Pro Max or any other version of iPhone. After unlocking the phone, you have to find this app. It's called App Store. Here we go at the bottom, you see. One most important thing for downloading anything from App Store, you will need an Apple account. If you don't know how to do that, please check my video description and make an Apple account. Now hit searching option here at the top. Type Telegram. There we go. You see the first one is an advertisement, that is LinkedIn, not that one, this one. I hit this one, let's see. It's loading very fast. iPhone 13 is really fast phone. Let's go here. You see Telegram, I have hit this one. You see start messaging, hit this one. You have to put your phone number. Normally in iPhone the phone number appear here. Just touch it, hit next button. They are sending verification code. It will arrive in few seconds. Let's see. I'm waiting. Let's see. It's done. I have here. It copies automatically. Here I hit this one, the code. I hit allow. So I have Telegram Messenger, allow all type of configuration. Okay, that is all. The context is here. Chat is here. The setting option is here. So this is how you can install Telegram Messenger to your iPhone 13, 13 Pro or any other version, and also make an account with them. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye-bye.